Hey guys, here are 5 fascinating but slightly alarming AI facts. 1. Most AI assistants, such as Google Now and Siri, have a female voice because studies have shown that both males and females prefer female voices. Plus, mostly men work on AI, so they probably find females less of a threat. 2. AI-driven pets could become a popular alternative to real pets by 2025, and by 2050, patents are already in existence. 3. AI robots can self-repair and update their database while in simulated childhood. AI can also write articles using data from various sources. 4. AI has been compared to the development of nuclear weapons by physicist Max Tegmark. We need to prevent any potential dangers. 5. AI is a fierce poker player, competing against human players in a game of heads-up no-limit Texas Hold'em poker in 2015 and coming in 4th. Look out. So there you have it, top 5. Fascinating but slightly alarming AI facts.